Guy, it's gorgeous. I love this weather. I'm so in love with Park City, Utah.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. Next stop gates 30 through 59.
Guava. And what else? We're gonna grab, and let's look at the cinnamon rolls, how delicious they look. Yeah, this is Zaza Cuban.
Yes. Cuban restaurant.
Oh yeah. Just a couple of snacks before we board the plane. My chicken empanada, and we're gonna try the guava pastry. I love these. We are ready for our trippy trip. Suitcase in the tree.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic.
Hi. Hi, UTT Spot. We got here in Dallas, Texas, and then we're flying to Salt Lake City. And then from Salt Lake City, we pick up the car and then drive straight to Park City, Utah. I'm excited. It's my first time. I'm so excited to go there.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Please do not block the doors. This train is departing.
About to see the world in action.
Next train arrives in 1 minute.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
It's humongous, this airport. We've walked like at least a mile. Now we're looking to pick up our car. Place is so gorgeous. Oh my God, I can smell the pine. It's chilly in here. This is so cool. Room 7488. Look at these red doors. Welcome to our Mountainside, 1-bedroom villa. We're like in love with this place. Look at this hallway, how big it is. You have your coat hanger, love that. What does it say on it, Lovey? Silver King Western Mining and Milling Company. That's what it is. That's the theme, ETT Squad. So you got this whole area to put your boots when you come for skiing. We're here for summer. You walk into this huge hallway and you got a full kitchen. I love this full kitchen. We already cooked several meals here. You got a full dishwasher, sink, oven, microwave, full refrigerator, all the plates included, all the plates, bowls, knives, you got everything. You don't need anything here. You just need to go to the grocery store and bring all your goodies and have some yummy food. And then you got a coat closet right here, a big coat closet. Come in. Then you got a huge dining room, which this is all the mining theme. You got a thick wood table, really thick, with how many chairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 chairs. And then look at the base, how pretty. It's that mining.
Big steel beam holding it up.
Yeah, mining style. And then you got a huge family room with vaulted ceilings. It's humongous. A lot of light coming in. Love it. And of course, my favorite when you come to Utah, Park City, is having your own fireplace. You can have a hot chocolate and just hang out, and after a long day, get cozy. You got a huge flat screen TV, which usually we bring, what do you call this, Lovey?
HDMI cord.
Yeah, we bring this with us so we could hook up our YouTube and watch YouTube on here, or watch some movies. Show them the view outside and show them how the windows open. And then we're right next door to some condos that cost $1 million and up. Beautiful sunny day. Open the door, open the window. Show them how you can open the windows. Get some fresh mountain air. Look at that view, it's gorgeous out there. To our 1-bedroom suite. Got a king bed, flat screen, and all the drawers. Look, all the drawers for your clothes. You got so many drawers 2 doors for me and 2 doors for Lovey. And you got your closet. Say hi to ETT Squad, Grogu. Yeah, we're doing a room tour right now. And then you got a big bathroom with a tub, which I'm gonna take a bubble bath later on. And then you got a full mirror, sink here, and then you have, which this is connected to this bathroom, and you have like a powder, you can use this as a powder bath. You turn the lights on. Yeah, look, he's excited. The big shower. Big shower, and then another mirror, another sink. And then you go right into the hallway. Big hallway. So this is a big 1-bedroom suite. We love it a lot. What do you think about it, Lovey?
It's great.
It's great?
It's actually at the end of the hall, so it's a long...
Yeah, it's at the end of the hall. We'll show you the hallway. It's like, it makes me feel like it's the movie The Shining. And it reminds me a lot of Wilderness Lodge, Copper Creek at Disney World. Sirloin steaks and asparagus for lunchy lunch with this gorgeous view. So when you finish grilling, you put your dirty utensils right there. What is it, Brats and Brews? Oh, they even sell t-shirts.
Hot dogs and all beef hot dogs, all pork bratwurst. There's that for you. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you. Sun's so bright, so Lovey got his bratwurst. We filmed it. We're filming all the activities for the video. You're gonna see everything soon. We have a lot of videos to edit. Isn't that gorgeous? Ski lift right next to the pool. So imagine this when it's snowing, ski season. And snow's covering the ground.
4 to 6 inches deep, depending upon where you're looking at it.
By the pool, that must be neat. I'm sure they heat the pool during the winter, right? During ski season. Just end our day at the jacuzzi. I love this resort. I definitely recommend this resort. I love it. So much fun. I haven't done that at all. I'm dying to try it.